So I thought I'd tie up a couple of things regarding the Ishi Novice 4 Ready to Fly package. It really is a great package. You get the EV800D goggles, which are a fantastic goggle with DVR. The Radiomaster TX12, which is a radio I would recommend to a beginner. Then we've got 4 of these 4S 1000 mAh LiPos and a 4S charger. We've got batteries in here and 2 lithium batteries in here as well. It's literally everything that you need to get going. And then we have got this long-range quadcopter, long-range confirmed by myself, so 750 meters that I got out of it, even with this D8 receiver. And from then, I have tested it with an Insta360 Go. Now, I wasn't sure about this because it's got a wobbly mount, and you can take a look at some footage. It's really hard to get decent results out of this camera anyways, because it relies on the gyro data inside the camera, and you really need a soft mounted proper mount so that you don't get any vibrations. There's a little bit of vibration there, but it wasn't too bad. These Insta360 Go version 1 cameras are quite expensive, but I do expect the price to come down now that the V2 has been released. Unfortunately, you only get a 5-minute recording, or even less if it overheats, whereas this model can fly easily for 32 minutes with a 4S lithium-ion battery. So these are Fullsend VTC6 batteries, but before I get onto that, let's just see how much this guy weighs. So with all of this, the camera, the battery, it is 236 grams, so under 250 grams. Then let's see how much it weighs with the lithium-ion battery. Now, interestingly, I found that the model flew even better with the lithium-ion battery. It was stiffer in the rolls and also the backflips. Let's see how much it weighs with the lithium-ion battery. Probably going to be over 250 grams, yeah, well over. But 32-minute flight time with a VTC6 4S lithium-ion battery, and that is just incredible for a beginner. And my only question with this package really, I guess, is the durability of this guy. We have got really thin arms which could break. It does look like they're individual arms, but one thing that I think is brilliant about this package as well is the fact that you can take this transmitter, really decent transmitter, plug it into a simulator, and then you can use something like Liftoff Velocidrone, or I recommend Curry Kitten's Free Flight Simulator, and you can do all the crashes that you want in there. You know, when you are starting off with this type of stuff, sometimes it doesn't matter how strong the quadcopter is. If you're just going to pile it into the ground within a couple of seconds of flying it, then it can get expensive. So I really do think this is the all-in-one package to get for beginners. I'm going to be recommending it to anybody that asks me how do I get into FPV. I think this package has it all. The one thing that I need to test is that I need to put a GPS rescue switch on this guy. And also the buzzer doesn't seem to work, the lost model alarm. So if you're interested in seeing me fix that and also add a GPS rescue switch, because I found that I wasn't able to get this guy to failsafe, the control range surprisingly outlasted the video range, so I had to turn around. But if you got a GPS rescue switch on there, so if you ran out of video and then press that, and you have enough satellites, then it will return back to where you are flying and you can regain control. Anyways, been well impressed with this thing. I'll put a link in the video description as well as a pinned comment if you wish to get one. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.